Stranded on this island.
Almost a perfect match. Hey guys, it's Pat at Manitoulin Island RC. How are ya? Well, H-Tech went and released a new HTB-10 frame, which is like a little moon buggy, and it's machined aluminum, and I just had to have it. So I went ahead and got one. So this frame basically is designed specifically for the Vanquish platform. You can use the VRD carbon portal or the VRD straight axle kit on the frame that I got. But he also has another one, basically same idea, but I think the mounting on the bottom is a bit different to accept the axial, Capra. And I think he also has one for the Vanquish optic as well. So yeah, this is going to be an awesome build. I got all my parts in this box, including fuel cell and stuff like that. So I really want to thank Intaha. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce the name, and I apologize, but you guys are the best at H-Tech. This is freaking awesome. So it even comes with an interior, a seat, and yeah, I plan to give that seat a little bit of paint so it's not brown, but I think this guy is going to fit in that seat just perfectly, actually. Might have to do some modding on it, but yeah, he might become the driver. So I got wheels, of course, crawlers. Can never go wrong with crawlers on 2.2s, and yeah, look at that purple. It's just freaking awesome. So stay tuned. This might be a little bit of a kind of a build video, but you're also going to see this complete as well in this video. Oh yeah, guys, it's been a while. I don't know how long it's been, but probably a couple of months. Anyways, Daddy's little monster is finally almost done. Yeah, it's about 95% done. I just got a little bit of wiring to do on the other side, and figure out I got a new battery coming, 3S. It's only got a 2S in there right now, but yeah, doesn't she look good? And the Joker, of course. So H-Tech is going to be sending me a package fairly soon. Hopefully we can get shipping sorted. But yeah, they're going to send me the 2-seat version, so I'll be able to maybe have a passenger in there, and we'll have these two riding side by each. Not sure who's going to be the driver, but likely he'll drive and she'll be the passenger, and she'll have her gun or something. I don't know. Anyways, you know, Harley always getting into trouble. But yeah, I am super stoked. It's just basically running a very, very fast servo. I am like really happy with the servo. It's just a 9i mod, 55 kilo. And again, keep in mind, it's only running on 2S, but it is crazy fast and super strong. So for a budget servo, I think it's actually really a good one. Yeah, so Hobbywing 2300, of course. And what else? Well, we are missing one other thing that hasn't arrived yet. It was shipped from Australia, but I do have some pricey shocks coming as well. And of course, Canada Post decided to go on strike right after he shipped them from Australia. So nothing we can do about it. They're held up in the mail right now, but I am planning on taking this thing for a ride tomorrow. It's you know, it's on 2S. It's a little bit slow, but at least I'll get an idea how it drives, how planted it is, and if I actually need brass in the front, or if I'm okay with this. And I'm pretty sure I will need some brass in the rears, just to keep it settled. But it's a really heavy rig, and I wouldn't mind getting the aluminum axles on it. But yeah, it looks good. I'm thinking I'm putting this little light here in the rear. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I've got a really nice light bar on the top, so that sheds a lot of light in the front. But yeah, she's beautiful. We'll see on the trail. I also can't forget, guys, my wife did an amazing job on the livery. This is all pretty much designed by Rachel. She found a couple images online that she was able to work with, and then just ran with it. So all the graphics, thank you very much, babe, are going to be printed on vinyl very soon. Right now it's only printed on photo paper. So as you can see, it's like just kind of sitting up there. Yeah, it's not like glued down or anything, but I do plan to have that printed with our new printer real soon. We haven't even set up the printer yet. We've been busy with other jobs. But yeah, I can't wait to get this all printed on vinyl too. Thanks a lot, babe. The graphics look freaking awesome. What do you guys think? Hey guys, we're here in Perry Sound. I freaking love this place. It is awesome. So this is officially first time on the rocks. And I'm already in love. Oh yeah, this thing is awesome. Now I am only running on 2S. However, I think it'll do just fine, as it seems to be already kind of handling this no problem. Nice driving, Harley. Alright, I reset it because I was kind of stuck in a spot where just couldn't go anywhere. Floating wheel. And it's settled. Ooh, wow. Really transitioned over the ridge there nicely. And that braking point is awesome. I don't know. This might be tricky. The front wheel's pushing a bit. I don't know. I should have probably started turning a little bit sooner. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna make it. Oh shit. There we go. Rear floater. I think we'll get this. Pretty sure. It's steep. But these tires are awesome and this rock is grippy. Oh, come on. It's just hanging on to the edge. There it is. Don't really know exactly where I'm going when I come here, because it's like you pick a new line every time you come. You can't really, like, I don't know, have the same line over and over again kind of thing. Yeah, it would be cool to put some markers, like actually make a course, but yeah, I don't think I can get up that way either. Huh. Well, let's just go down this way and see what happens. Come on, get up there. There's Rachel and the dog. Archie's being a little bit of a brat today. No, not gonna make that. No, not gonna make that either. Oh, trying too steep here. You can really hear those tires gripping like crazy. Really nice spot to play. That's pretty steep. Wow. Wasn't expecting that. 2S.
That was cool.
Yeah. Of course, 3S is always better.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
No idea if I can make this or not, but we're gonna try. I think it'll do it. That's some good driving there, Harley.
Oh, that was cool. That was a nice line. I like that. That was awesome. Hey guys, I found a couple more lines here just for the end of the video, and let's see how we can do these. Well, that's cool. Wasn't sure if I'd make that, but it is pretty easy. And there's one other line I'd like to try as well, that I think will be really cool. Just gotta come down here slowly. Oh boy. Nice and slow. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Oh, I don't have. Not quite lined up properly here. Jeez. Doesn't want to settle. There we go. Still not lined up properly. No, I gotta reline this. I think I might get it though. There's a chance. Hey buddy. Yeah, I know. Daddy's playing. Oh yeah, look at that, man. This is awesome. That is such a cool climb right there. Oh yeah. Look at all that air, man. That is so awesome. Well guys, thanks for watching Manitoulin Island RC. I am super stoked with this rig. It is awesome. Yeah, H-Tech, you guys killed it. Of course, Vanquish, every time. You guys always make good stuff, so look at this thing. Harley, good driving. Cheers, thanks for watching Manitoulin Island RC. Peace out, guys.